Welcome back to BeautiCo. So today in this video I am gonna be showing you how I got this eye makeup, this pink soft glam makeup look using the Lakme's new Spotlight eyeshadow collection. They have 4 different shades in this particular palette and I have used these on my eyes today, and as you can see my eye makeup has turned out stunning. These eyeshadow palettes are super duper pigmented, very blendable, and are of a very good quality as well. I am super impressed by these, the quality, the blendability, the pigmentation, all of the good stuff, and the color range of this palette is also super duper good, especially for us Indian girls. I feel like these eyeshadow palettes are perfect and you can play with them and do so many different kinds of looks as you like. So if y'all want to know how I achieved this pink soft glam makeup look right here, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So I'm quickly gonna do my base makeup. I'm first gonna prime with the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. For foundation, I am using the Lakme's 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. Okay, that is a flawless base. I'm just gonna set it with some setting powder. Next, I'm gonna do brows, and I'm gonna use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Charcoal. And this does come with a microfiber tip right here, and it also does come with a spoolie, and I have actually already used this product and this product is superbly good. I've always felt that Lakme aces it when it comes to brow products, and this one is amazing. So just gonna brush my brows. So now let's move on to eyes, the hero of this particular video, the Lakme Absolute's Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. They come in 4 different shades, as you can see, and I've already used one of them and I'm actually very impressed by the pigmentation and everything. So today I am actually gonna try and do like a pink soft glam look. So I'm gonna start off by using this palette. This is the Spotlight eyeshadow palette in Berry Martini. This has some beautiful pink shades right here. So I'm gonna start with this shade in my transition area. These eyeshadows are super blendable, are pigmented and not at all patchy. Like you can see, they're blending so beautifully. Next, I'm gonna use a mixture of this shade and this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this in my outer corners and in my crease. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Smoking Glam palette and I'm gonna use this shade and deepen my outer corners. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna smudge this shade in my lower waterline. Just going to deepen just a little bit using this darker brown shade in my outer corners. Just a little bit, just a hint. Wow, I mean, you guys are seeing it live how beautifully these eyeshadows are blending, and I'm loving that. Now comes the fun part. I'm gonna use this pop of pink from the Berry Martini palette. I'm gonna apply this in this inner area of my eyelids. Just blending the edges and making it a smooth transition. I'm also gonna highlight my inner corners with this shade right here. This is the Stilettos palette. Now what I'm gonna do, I am gonna take the Lakme Absolutes Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and I'm gonna do like a smoky wing liner using this. Also gonna line my lower waterline with this kajal. Then I'm gonna apply lots of mascara with the Lakme Absolutes Flutter Secrets Volumizing Mascara, and this one is waterproof. We are almost done. Let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna apply lots and lots of blush using the Lakme Absolutes Blush Duo, and this is in the shade Coral Blush. Highlighter, I'm using the same shade that we used in our inner corners, and I'm gonna highlight wherever I usually highlight. And then finally for lips, I am using the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Natural Nude. Just to amp up the shade a little bit, I'm going to mix in the shade Pink Silk. guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching how I achieved this beautiful pink soft glam look. I am loving it. I'm loving all the eyeshadow palettes from the Lakme's collection, so definitely check them out. I am going to leave a link in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm going to see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.